But Pops feel even greater.
Yeah.
Him really love him parish and him love to do these things. I just love this. And every year it gets bigger and I just love it. Andre is usually here every year. He is away on a video shoot with Drake and he was to come in yesterday, but it never happened. But nothing is lacking except his presence. And then him keep sending him videos of what's going on.
No, I don't at all. Stop it, Mr. Coffee. One here. Yeah, music. Let's see what's in the appearance. Electrician, need to check it quick and fast. Like you're putting on fire. But you know that thing I don't know. The five sergeant around there. And we are one little very slow. Link up the music room, the anti-media.